today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile on MetaTrader 5. If you're looking to customize your trading environment and organize your charts and settings efficiently, adding profiles is a fundamental skill you'll want to master. MetaTrader 5, a powerful and widely used trading platform, provides various features to enhance your trading experience, and creating a profile allows you to save your current chart configurations, settings, and even expert advisors for future use. This can be incredibly helpful if you follow different strategies or assets because it lets you switch between these setups quickly. Let's start by focusing on your computer screen and make sure that MetaTrader 5 is open and ready to go. With the platform fully loaded, your task is to direct your attention to the upper section of your screen, where you'll find the menu bar. This is a critical focal point for almost all actions you'll perform in the platform. Our first step takes us to the menu bar. From here, we need to click on File. This option is usually located at the top left corner. Once you've clicked on File, a drop-down menu will appear with several options designed to facilitate a range of functions. In this drop-down list, you will see Profiles. Go ahead and select it. A well-designed feature of MetaTrader 5, profiles are perfect for managing and saving your workspace configurations. This will bring up a secondary menu related to profile actions. Here, in this next step, it's time to think about creating a personalized setup. To do this, you need to click on the option labeled Save As. You're on the brink of creating a new profile that fits your personal or professional needs. By clicking Save As, you're prompted to save your existing charts, indicators, and anything currently open on your workspace. Now, this is where personalization comes in, and it's important to be both creative and practical when naming your new profile. Ideally, you want it to be easily recognizable, especially if you eventually create numerous profiles for different tasks or datasets. Whether you're day trading a certain currency pair or keeping a watch on multiple commodities, your profile name should reflect this. In the text field, you'll simply type the name you want to give your profile. Once you've entered a suitable name and you're happy with it, your next move is to confirm it. Finally, finish this process by clicking OK. By doing so, you're saving your progress, and this action ensures that all your open charts and setups are securely stored under the new profile name. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new profile to